Hey mamas and daddies, my name is Ishrat Nawaz, a mother of 24 weeks micro preemie. When my preemie was born, his birth weight was only 800 grams, which reduced to 700 grams in next 2 days. Today I am going to share activities which help my baby to roll over on time. With these activities, baby gets familiar with motor pattern skills. It gives baby extra opportunity to practice those movements which help to roll over. With the help of these activities, baby gains strength to do part of movements. Usually baby starts to roll over in between 4 to 7 months. Roll baby on side while picking them up. When you slowly roll baby at side, neck and side body muscles switch to keep the head in the midline. When you regularly lift baby this way, it will strengthen baby's neck and side body muscles, and it will help baby to gain head control and roll over. Assist baby to roll over. Hold baby's left leg gently and hold it straight. Keep your other hand on right hip and gently guide right hip over the top of left leg and onto the ground. So baby roll over on tummy. When baby is on tummy, reposition their hands. Hands often got caught underneath their tummy. As your baby gain strength and start participating actively in rolling from back to tummy, grab and straight their left leg gently. Place your other hand on right hip. Gently raise hip off the ground and bring baby into sideline and wait. See if baby completes rest of roll. If not, gently provide support and complete the roll. Use favorite toy. After 4 months of age, hold a toy on the top in the middle of their body. Shake the toy to make noise. When baby is looking at toy, then move the toy to side above their shoulder. When they look at the toy, it helps to promote lifting of their shoulder. Then the whole trunk rotation, which is required to roll over. Lot of tummy time. I know I talk a lot about tummy time because tummy time is very important to roll over, to sit, to stand, to walk, and for proper alignment in their body. Tummy time helps your baby to build strength in their back, legs, arms and neck. If your baby gets tired soon during tummy time and starts crying, make sure you go through this video. 4 easier tummy time for your baby. If you want to know how to help your baby to gain weight, click at the video left side, and if you want to know activities for head control, click at the video right side.